Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Good morning. How's your day going? Good morning. How's your day going? What's new with you? What's new with you? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? I'm running late, sorry. I'm running late, sorry. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check, please? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? How do you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee? Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I have a question. I have a question. Where are you from? Where are you from? That's interesting. That's interesting. I totally agree. I totally agree. I disagree, actually. I disagree, actually. What's the plan for today? What's the plan for today? I'm not sure, let me check. I'm not sure, let me check. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? I'm feeling under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather. Let's grab a coffee sometime. Let's grab a coffee sometime. How's your family doing? How's your family doing? I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. Have a great day. Have a great day. See you later. See you later. I have to go now. I have to go now. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? That sounds challenging. That sounds challenging. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you explain that to me? Can you explain that to me? Let's take a break. Let's take a break. I need some advice. I need some advice. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. I'm not sure how to say this. I'm not sure how to say this. I'm here if you need me. I'm here if you need me. What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? How do you stay organized? How do you stay organized? Let's go out for lunch. Let's go out for lunch. What's the latest news? What's the latest news? That's a great idea. That's a great idea. How was your day? How was your day? I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? How do you stay motivated? How do you stay motivated? I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? That's a good point. That's a good point. I have a suggestion. I have a suggestion. Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress? I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? It's a pleasure to work with you. It's a pleasure to work with you. I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of that. What's your dream job? What's your dream job? I can't make it, I'm afraid. I can't make it, I'm afraid. Let's make a plan. Let's make a plan. Could you pass me the salt, please? Could you pass me the salt, please? How do you like to relax? How do you like to relax? I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm not sure how to start. I'm not sure how to start. Let's try something new. Let's try something new. What's the best book you've read recently? What's the best book you've read recently? I can't wait. I can't wait. How do you handle deadlines? How do you handle deadlines? That's a beautiful picture. That's a beautiful picture. I'm really enjoying our conversation. I'm really enjoying our conversation. What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? I'm so glad we met. I'm so glad we met. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? I need your help with something. I need your help with something. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. How's your day been so far? How's your day been so far? I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Could you speak a bit slower, please? Could you speak a bit slower, please? I appreciate your support. I appreciate your support. Let's make it a memorable day. Let's make it a memorable day. What's your weekend routine? What's your weekend routine? I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. What's your opinion on this? What's your opinion on this? I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to suggestions. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? I'm really looking forward to the weekend. I'm really looking forward to the weekend. I can't believe it's already Friday. I can't believe it's already Friday. How's your project coming along? How's your project coming along? Can I offer you some advice? Can I offer you some advice? That's a great achievement. That's a great achievement.